If you're running into a Framer bug or you need help reporting an issue the right way, this quick guide will show you exactly what to do. And if this tutorial helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more simple software fixes and walkthroughs just like this one. First, open your browser and go to Framer's contact page at framer.com/contact. This is where you can reach the Framer support team directly. Once the page loads, look for the Start Chat option and click it. After you click Start Chat, a pop-up window will appear on the right side of the screen. This is where you'll begin your bug report or support request. Take your time here and make sure you enter the correct details, because the more accurate your report is, the faster the team can understand the issue. Start by entering your name. Use the name associated with your Framer account if possible, so the support team can identify you easily. Next, enter your email address. This is important because Framer may respond to your report or ask follow-up questions through that email. Then you'll see a section where you need to choose the category that best fits your issue. Pick the option that matches your bug as closely as possible. Whether it's a design problem, publishing issue, workspace problem, or something else, choosing the right category helps route your message to the right support area. Now, it's time to give them your project link. This is one of the most important steps because the Framer team needs access to the project context in order to investigate the issue properly. Paste the link to the project where the bug is happening, and if you can, include a short and clear explanation of what went wrong. For example, you can mention what you were trying to do, what happened instead, and whether the issue happens every time or only in certain situations. The more detail you provide, the easier it is for the support team to reproduce the bug and help you find a fix. Once everything is filled out, review your information one more time to make sure your name, email, category, and project link are correct. Then send the message through the chat window. After that, the Framer team will get back to you with guidance, troubleshooting steps, or a fix based on your report. That's it. You've now learned how to report a Framer bug the right way using the contact chat, and how to give the team the information they need to help you faster. If this video saved you time, please like the video and subscribe for more quick tutorials, software tips, and step-by-step fixes. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.